Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Crunchyroll login problem. First, make sure your login details are correct. Double check your Gmail and password. Make sure caps lock is off and there are no extra space. If you forgot your password, tap forgot password and reset it. Login problems often happen because of weak connection. Make sure Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Then try logging back. Next, close Crunchyroll fully on mobile. Swipe the app away. On PC, close the browser completely. Now reopen Crunchyroll and try logging in again. Restarting fix small glitches. Turn your phone, tablet or computer off. Wait about 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Open Crunchyroll and try again. After that, go to App Store and make sure Crunchyroll is fully updated. If you are using a browser, update it too. Outdated version can cause login issues. If you are using VPN, proxy or ad blocker, turn it off. These can block Crunchyroll login requests. After turning them off, try logging in again. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.